The Deutsche Area Agent, DLR, has liberated an impressive 3D map of land. Constructed of images purchased by 2 radar gun satellites, it traces the variations in altitude through all Earth surfaces, and region totaling more than rather than 148 millionth square kilometers. DLR is manufacturing the map complementary and outdoor, authorizing any scholar to load and use it. Down there will be multitude applications, of prediction wherever flooding water stream to planner big infrastructure facilities projects. The 2 satellites implicated are named TerRazer-X and InTandem-X Love-All radar gun space vehicle. They email downward microwaves pulses to the shallow of the Earth and later period how length the signals get to rebound behind. This shorten the period time interval, the high the land. TerRazer-X and InTandem-X fly practically party by party, occasionally upcoming to during 200 meter of every sum. The is facility to monitoring, but it gives the couple stereo system sight, by enabling them to work an interferometer regime in that one space vehicle acts as a transponder/receiver and the sum as a other radio. The total precision in such squares in the vertically measurement is 1 m, manufacturing the DEM a strong transfer of all the land's lumps and bumps. Down there are DEMs how include far high solution on provincial Libra, but the new food beats any some world, openly accessible data set. It as well has no gaps. DLR has some versions of the map whose sample squares are 30m and 12m through, but these are, for the period creature, commercially confined. TerRazer-X and InTandem-X go on their map workout. Possessing a statical DEM is large, but the form of the land's shallow is ever change and the is necessary to be seized as so. The orbital couple are now receive rather ancient. TerRazer-X was start up in 2007 and InTandem-X was start up in 2010. DLR hopes to compliance them fleeing for a nice few years still, but planner for the replacements is so progressive. The next mission statement would be lightly various in how the radar gun tool would work, not in the X band but in the L band, a much longer wavelength. We would see the complete vertically pattern of the wood and how is key for accurate phytomass estimates. Knowledge precisely how lot carbon sequestration is connected up in the planet's forest is a big unidentified, but urgent for environment changing assessments. Else annex in the L band would be to feeling superior the way the land deforms for an quake. Scientists do the already with radar gun satellites operational at some wavelength range, but their observational data can frequently be hard to construe in places wherever down there is a lot of flora increase. InTandem-L, as the next framework will be named, would expect to get about several of these difficult situation.